everyone, your favorite squad leader here, Hanji. Today we're making chicken carbonara. Okay, so first come first, we want to season our chicken. So this is just one breast because there are only 3 of us in the house today. Always make sure you wash your hands after handling chicken because E. coli and all that fun crap and food poisoning, and apparently chickens are filthy creatures.
Hey, hey, Dracarys. Come on, food poisoning's the best poisoning.
Definitely don't want food poisoning. It's nasty. So I've seasoned the chicken with pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. I use pink salt, Himalayan, because apparently it's easier on your system, which is really weird. But you can use pretty much any salt you want to. I'll put in some garlic. I'm totally cheating because I usually mince up my own. So I'm a weirdo, and you guys can cut it up normally. I use scissors. These are like poultry scissors, so you can use them for pretty much anything. Just don't cut up meat and use them on your next paper project or your cosplay project because it'll end poorly and you'll probably smell like bacon.
And always sterilize them in the dishwasher before you use them again.
Mm-hmm. Smells really good already. Don't pull at me. I'm only going to use half of this today. I mean, obviously, you double your portions if you're doing a full-size meal. Be careful not to burn yourself.
But that's the best part.
I mean, yeah. Soiled it!
Oh, we're gonna have to put a spoiler alert on that.
Soiled it! We do have to remember, I stopped reading after chapter. Soiled it! Don't baby your pasta, but, you know, keep an eye on it. Obviously, al dente pasta isn't the goal here, but again, all personal preference. I'll show you how to do this. So, we're gonna be separating the eggs. So, when you're splitting up an egg, we're gonna, I need another bowl. It's mad easy. You want to split the egg right up the middle. See how the white comes out? Oops. And then we just put the yolk part in there. And then it's just the same thing over again. Certain things, like egg whites, are used to make meringues. Egg yolks are used to make the carbonara. What we want to do is mix in our Parmesan cheese. This could be a technical one-pot wonder, but it's way easier to have 2 pots going at the same time. So at this point the pasta is kind of al dente. I like mine a little bit softer. Be careful of the bacon grease. It does burn.
Oh, there's the poo-poo.
I'm gonna let this go a little longer because the
Shameless child.
Did he just flop in front of you?
Yep. Right on camera.
Erwin, how high are you? 6'3". This is Erwin. He is 2. He just farted. He just farted.
Oh God, it smells. How do you do that? How do you radiate the stench?
Okay. It's pretty much done, so I'll cut the heat to that. Next we are draining our pasta. Next, we add the good stuff. Please be careful. This is hot. Very hot. Bacon grease is like literally the worst, so please be careful. It smells freaking phenomenal, but you want to try to scrape off as much of that garlic as you can because it gets this really nice nutty flavor. Cool. Give it a a good stir. And here comes the fun part, guys. Okay, we're gonna let this cool a little tiny bit so we don't completely cook the egg. It already smells really good. Okay, so this is our egg mixture. I'm just gonna gently add it. There we go. And just stir it in and let it, you know, infuse its wonderful gooey, gooey goodness. And then it'll start to take the consistency as it starts to cook in. And it'll get this really creamy flavor and texture. See how it kind of melts in? It's all that yummy Parmesan cheese. Now you can do this with any type of pasta. Sometimes we make squash pasta, more of a vegetarian style. We use tofu and mushroom.
How is it, squad leader?
Pretty good. Except for fail it, you know, the eating aspect.
Nice.
Thank you, shoulder.
Oh. Look at that yumminess. Yeah, look at that. Say ah. Alright everyone, so if you like this video and would like to see more, like, comment, subscribe, do all that wonderful yummy stuff, and we shall leave you with more wonderful yummy stuff.
Like what I'm making tomorrow morning.
Yes.
I'll be served with my pipe and jammies.
Beautiful. Alright, love you all. Mwah. Bye.